Now let's look at B. So B is what is the probability that someone in the United States consumed between 15 and 30 gallons of software. So 15 and 30. So we are given two different X values, 15 and 30. Okay. So we have to compute two different Z values. So we have X sub 1 minus the mean, let's make that absolute reference, divided by the standard deviation, make that absolute reference as well. Then we can copy this down. So you get minus 2.09 and minus 0.94. Now we can use these two with the normal table. So minus 2.09. So go to the minus side, minus 2.09, okay, which is that 0.0183. 0183. Now let's use minus 0.94. Okay, 4 is here. Minus 0.94 is there. 1736. Okay, now they both are cumulative probabilities. So what we want is what is in between. So we take the difference between the two, and that will give us the probability that X is between 15 and 30. Okay. Now how do we get this done using Excel function instead of going to the normal table? Well, we can use norm.dist function like we did before. Okay, the X value, comma mean, let's make that absolute reference, standard deviation also absolute reference, comma 1 for cumulative probability, and you copy that down here, and you get the two probabilities. If you wanted to use norm.s.dist, so then you use the z's. So you have the z here, comma 1, and you copy that down here. So you get the two cumulative probabilities. So then probability of X between 15 and 30 would be the difference. So you go either of them, you use the difference between the two, and obviously you get the same answer. See, this one is more accurate. Excel is more accurate because here you needed to do some rounding. So Z is not exactly 2.09 and 0.94. This is rounded. So that's the reason why there will be a small difference. Our Excel answers are more accurate. Now C, what is the probability that someone in the United States consumed less than 15 gallons? So cumulative less than 15. So we already have that information. So here, so for X sub 1, the probability that we got, okay, for X sub 1, so that would be the probability. So we don't even have to do any further computation for that.